How are you doing today? I'm doing well, thank you. Did you have a good night's sleep? Yes, I slept like a baby. What's your favorite way to start the day? I love starting my day with a cup of coffee. Have you had breakfast yet? Yes, I had some toast and fruit. What do you do for a living? I work in marketing. How's the weather outside? It's sunny today. Are you a morning person or a night owl? I'm definitely more of a night owl. What's your favorite type of cuisine? I love Italian food. Have you been on any exciting trips lately? I recently went to Finland. It was amazing. What's your go-to way to relax after a long day? I like to unwind by reading a book. Did you watch any interesting movies or shows recently? I watched Face Off movie, and it was fantastic. How do you stay active and fit? I enjoy going for a run in the evenings. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a parrot. What's your favorite book? I really love English stories. How do you stay organized in your daily life? I use a planner to keep track of everything. What's the best piece of advice you've ever received? The best advice I've received is to work hard. Are you a tea or coffee person? I prefer tea. How do you handle stress? I usually take a short break and practice deep breathing. What's your favorite season of the year? I love autumn. Do you have any hobbies or creative outlets? I enjoy editing on mobile, it helps me relax. What's the last thing you learned that surprised you? I learned animation video, and it was quite surprising. Do you prefer to cook at home or eat out? I enjoy cooking at home. What's your favorite type of music? I love classic music. Have you ever met someone famous? Yes, I once met Teacher Naveed. It was a memorable experience. How do you keep in touch with friends and family? I use WhatsApp to connect all. What's your favorite way to spend a lazy Sunday? I like to make video editing. Do you have any upcoming plans or goals? I'm planning to become a famous YouTuber. What's your favorite childhood memory? One of my favorite childhood memories is my girlfriend. Do you have a favorite quote that inspires you? Yes, my favorite quote is, "Action speaks louder than words." What's your dream travel destination? I've always wanted to visit Mecca and Medina. How do you handle setbacks or challenges? I try to stay positive and learn from them. What's your favorite type of exercise? I enjoy prayers. Are you a cat person or a dog person? I'm more of a cat person. Do you enjoy outdoor activities or prefer indoor relaxation? I like a mix of both. How do you like to celebrate special occasions? I usually celebrate with my family. What's your favorite app on your phone? My favorite app is YouTube. Do you have any hidden talents? I can make videos. Have you ever tried a new hobby and enjoyed it? Yes, I tried playing cricket, and I loved it. Do you have a favorite childhood TV show or cartoon? My favorite childhood show was Tom and Jerry. How do you like to stay informed about current events? I usually watch news channels. Do you prefer reading physical books or using e-readers? I like e-readers. What's your favorite thing about the city or town you live in? I love available facilities. Do you have a favorite type of art or artist? I enjoy making pictures. What's your favorite way to stay connected with nature? I like to capture the nature in my camera. What's your favorite childhood game or toy? My favorite childhood game was Street Fighter. Do you have a favorite restaurant you like to frequent? Yes, my favorite restaurant is 7 Star. How do you deal with changes in your routine? I try to adapt and find a new routine. What's the most interesting place you've ever visited? The most interesting place I've visited is Faisal Mosque. How do you stay motivated to achieve your goals? I set small milestones and celebrate achievements. Do you have a favorite color? My favorite color is green. What's your favorite childhood song or music artist? My favorite childhood song was Gulabi Ainkain by Atif Aslam. How do you like to spend your evenings after work or school? I usually watch TV shows. Do you enjoy cooking or prefer someone else to cook for you? I enjoy cooking. How do you approach making important decisions in your life? I weigh the pros and cons before deciding. What's the most adventurous thing you've ever done? The most adventurous thing I've done is visit new places. How do you handle disagreements or conflicts with others? I try to communicate openly and find a solution. How do you stay positive during challenging times? I focus on things I can control and practice gratitude. Do you have a favorite piece of technology you can't live without? My favorite piece of technology is mobile. What's your favorite childhood memory of playing outdoors? My favorite memory is playing cricket. How do you like to spend your weekends? I usually travel new places with friends. What's the most interesting fact you've learned recently? The most interesting fact is don't trust anyone. Do you have a favorite type of dance or dance style? My favorite dance style is Bhangra. What's your favorite way to stay cool in hot weather? I like to have cold drinks. Do you have a favorite childhood friend you still keep in touch with? Yes, I'm still friends with John Cena. How do you handle a busy schedule and avoid burnout? I prioritize tasks and make time for self-care. What's your favorite type of flower? My favorite flower is red rose. Do you have a favorite childhood tradition that you continue to this day? My favorite tradition is don't be hopeless. How do you express your creativity in your daily life? I express my creativity through making videos. Do you have a favorite childhood movie or animated film? My favorite childhood movie is Iron Man. Do you have a favorite inspirational book or author? My favorite inspirational book is Holy Quran by Dr. Israr Ahmed. What? How do you stay connected with friends who live far away? I stay connected through social media apps. Do you have a favorite childhood game that brings back nostalgic memories? My favorite childhood game is Street Fighter game. What's your favorite type of weather? I enjoy cold weather. How do you handle procrastination and stay productive? I break tasks into smaller steps and set deadlines. Do you have a favorite type of cookie or sweet treat? My favorite sweet treat is laddu. What's your favorite way to show appreciation to others? I like to give thumbs up. How do you approach learning new skills or hobbies? I take it step by step and practice regularly. Do you have a favorite childhood TV show that you still enjoy watching? Yes, I still enjoy watching Tom and Jerry's show. What's your favorite way to spend quality time with family and friends? I like to play with my children. How do you stay organized with your tasks and responsibilities? I use the timetable. What's your favorite way to start your morning routine? I start morning with prayer to God. How do you handle technology distractions and maintain focus? I set specific times for technology use and take breaks. Do you have a favorite childhood memory of playing games with family? My favorite memory is to play Ludo games. What's your favorite way to show kindness to others? I like to be helping hand. How do you stay positive when facing a challenging situation? I focus on solutions and positive aspects. Do you have a favorite childhood toy that holds sentimental value? Yes, my favorite childhood toy is Nokia Mobile. What's your favorite way to celebrate personal achievements? I celebrate with my family to have a pizza party. How do you set and prioritize your personal goals for the year? I set specific goals and break them down into manageable